Technological University main campus. He's also a pageant coach, makeup artist, an event host, social media influencer, content creator, and a proud father. Beyond the spotlight, he and his partner Cha Rivera endeared themselves to netizens nationwide with a love story which was featured on major media platforms like the Philippine Star, CNN Philippines, GMA Unang Hirit, TV5, ABS-CBN Tao Po, and even on Tony Talks. It was further amplified through their popular social media presence known as Cha and Dance Dior Blog. Ladies and gentlemen, our fourth judge, Mr. Tenzel Batocabe.
Tourism Head, Mr. Arwin Flores, and our chairpersons for tonight's competition, Chief Carmi Capados, and our local youth development council head,
Ang saya ng mga Lucena.
Salamat. Isend mo sa akin. Isend mo yung pingsan. Mamay,